Hey, good morning, y'all. It's Sunday morning. It feels cold as hell. It feels great outside. I took the long way home today due to the fact that my car sounds extra fucking good today. You know, like, have you ever heard of that term, eargasms? If you guys haven't, this is a term. It's whenever you have an orgasm, but it's from through your ears. Eargasms. Whenever you hear that special exhaust note, or whenever you hear your mama, hey, just kidding. But yeah, it's basically that. And today I'm probably gonna be installing some bumper quick release tabs. There's some buttons that go on the front bumper just to help it stay still, just because my bumper is being held by zip ties and hopes and dreams. So if anything, that's what you guys are gonna be seeing today. So I'm hoping you guys have been enjoying these videos, and if anything, like I said, please like and share and subscribe. It means a lot to me, because I mean, it's getting me not known, but like, it's giving me more confidence knowing that you guys are enjoying this video, and giving me more confidence to create these videos for you guys. So the more you guys are able to help, the better. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Hey, so I'm about to start on the bumper quick release. I waited a lot just because it was pretty cold outside, and like now it just feels pretty great, so I feel like working out. So basically what I'm gonna be doing is gonna be cutting a hole right here, I believe, taking that out and cutting a hole right here. See, that's the main reason why I want to take it out, because look at that. It's not even holding on by anything. You see that? So yeah, I'm gonna be putting that back on so I could sit at least good. Pricking a hole. I kind of want to make a mold. I have the basically the J's the extension that goes here, but I really don't want it. I just want something that goes like this up. So I might make a mold or something, hopefully, maybe later on some other videos. So yeah, that's basically it though. So I'll show you right now on how to do it. I'm gonna probably do one side first and then show you how it is on the other side. Alright guys, so this is like a pretty easy install. To be honest, it's too fucking easy, so I don't even think it's gonna be worth a big ass video, so I don't even know. We'll see how long this takes. I'll try to make up for all of this. So all we have to basically do is take off the bumper. That's about it. So you already know how easy my bumper comes out. Just take these out. Once I put the things back on, like those side quick releases, I'm gonna just leave these off. Just leave this middle one on, just for the simplicity of it, you know. So yeah, that's basically it though. Man, today feels so fucking amazing. You guys have no idea. Okay. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Ah shit, that was a fail. But yeah, that's basically it. So I'll show you step by step right now. Alright guys, so I basically separated all the tools you're gonna need for this little job. You should have all these tools, say if you do any type of work in general, as far as, you know, construction or anything. So if anything, just going through your dad's garage, you should find it, or dad's tools. So you need a drill. This is my screwdriver because I can't find my screwdriver. So that's my screwdriver. You might need these. You need an extension, a 10 millimeter. These are hard to keep. I keep on losing them for some reason. A Sharpie. You need a 1/4 inch drill bit. You honestly do need a 3/4 step drill bit, but that's the biggest I have, and I don't have one, so it's what I got. And then you need a 3/4 drill bit. So yeah, then you need masking tape, and these are basically the tools that come with the kit. A badass S2000. The little, guess this is what the pins lock into. Yeah, that's basically it. It's honestly pretty easy, huh? So yeah, have that right there for just in case, and instructions. This should fit any other car, as long as it has a bracket for it. I'll ask the guy that made the kit, see if I can, but I'll link his page in the description below. So if any of you guys that has a S2000 wants to install that, feel free to give him a message. He's a pretty cool guy. So yeah, here's the install. So I ran into some issues. The previous bolt that was in there, it was all rusted out, and which caused the inside of these threads to rust out. When I tried putting this thing in, it wouldn't allow me to. So since I don't have a re-driller, like re-threader, I ended up just improvising and said fuck it, and basically drilled out the inside of the bolt and put another bolt on the back. So that's basically it. Still works the same way. So thumbs up for improvising on that one. So I'm basically all done with the build. With the little install that I just did. They came out good. I do have to give you guys this though. If you guys are gonna do this on dip or anything that's dip, or maybe wrap, you might have the same issue. But doing it with paint, I highly doubt you'll have this issue. So what I ran across basically is this. So once I installed the drill bit, when I was like say drilling through the bumper, it started to pull on the dip itself, as you can see right there. So yeah, it's basically that. I was a little bit better on it on the second one. I'll show you right now, but maybe it was just me being a little bit too careless, because this was my first side. On the second side, I ended up drilling it from the outside in, so you don't see that issue. So that's basically that. You do have to adjust it a little bit more sometimes, because if this is if it's on there too tight, you do create a lot of stress, making this little button hard to say pop out. So that's just basically that. And basically I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe. Peace.